here in a really bad fucking spot. Sorry, already cussing, but this is dumb. Let's see. Customer left the keys on the front right driver's tire. Why would you leave it on that side? Unauthorized parking. They already got the sticker on it. Okay, let's see if it'll start. He said it wasn't, but who knows? No start. He cooked the engine. Bummer. Okay. Let's see. You know what? Let's make sure we got our tow hook first. Stupid ass Audi. Woo! All this shit back here, of course. Let's see. Tow hook? Anywhere? I don't see one. Oh, there it is. Nice. Stupid. Call me to tow your car. Make sure your trunk is cleared out. Jesus. All right. This is dumb. Yeah, and then he started getting crazy about the price that I was giving him. I'm like, dude, I don't know where to push this thing. I guess we're just gonna push it out to the street. Maybe. Son of a bitch. Just trying to keep the momentum going. This sucks. Okay, that box truck moved, so at least we'll have some room there. Of course, the mirror's folded in, so I can't see. Come on. Doing what I can with my 1 foot. Come on. Fucking Audis are so heavy. He said he just parked this thing here this morning and they already put the tag on it. That's crazy. Okay. I guess we'll put it back in park since the parking brake is electric. Let's put the hazards on, just in case. Oh, what a piece. All right, tow hook is right there. Ow, see that? The B-pillar like dug into my hand. Should have had my gloves on, that's my fault. All right. Yeah, this bar is called something crazy. I don't remember what it was. It says, "Do not fucking park here. Employee parking only." That's crazy. It was called like, you know, let me not butcher it. Let's see. Let's give them their, you know, their respect for not towing the car or getting the car towed. Killer Whale Sex Club. It's a bar apparently. They're going for a specific vibe, it seems. I'll let you make your own judgment on what that vibe is, but not for me. With the boarded up windows and the sassy parking signs. Let's get our pictures too, because this thing's kind of beat. Let's see, let's see. Come on. Ugh, my hand is like shaking because I think I bruised it. That should hurt. S-line. You'd never know it. Is there anything special in the Audi world, or is that just whatever? S-line, I'm not familiar. Okay, he got the plate and the VIN on there, so that's good. Let's see if we can get our tow hook. pull open without a flathead. This bumper is hanging on for dear life. Oh, let's see. There we go. Don't fall in there, please. We're gonna put this inside. Put it right in the cup holder for him. Get our tow hook. This neighborhood. All right. Not my neighborhood. Not my kind of neighborhood.
Just stop. Morning.
No, morning. No worries. Hey. Why are tourists in this neighborhood? I will never know. I guess we're in downtown, so they're thinking it's the place to be. I don't know. I do not know. I wouldn't walk my kid past a place called, whatever this place is called, I forgot already. Killer Whale Sex Club, is that what it was? It's fucking crazy. The owner of this car thought it was the funniest name in the world. Alright. Let's hope this hook doesn't break, because it's going right into traffic if it does. Make that turn real gradual, as you can see. Actually, I think we're gonna miss the bed. We need to turn a little more, unfortunately. Bummer. Dude. Roro dogs. Also serving ice cream. Saw it happening and I couldn't stop it, so. Alright, we're straightened out with the hook now. So that's good. 'Cause this is always the scary part, is when it's got the full weight of it on the deck. But we'll just be quick. And we'll pull gently and we'll stop as soon as we can. I wouldn't walk behind that. How are you? All right. Shut the hell up, Audi. No one wants to hear it. Stupid. All right. Nail clippers in your car is crazy. That's just asking for trouble. I don't know. I wouldn't do that. Cut my nails in something that's moving. Just end up cutting your finger. I don't know. Maybe I'm not as precise with nail clippers as he is. Come on. Oh, whatever. That's crazy. They put a sticker on his window. He's gonna be pissed. Am I out of the loop? Is downtown Phoenix a happening spot? I have no idea. Seems like it though. There's lots of tourists and young hipster looking dudes. I don't know. I don't partake. More to work on my cars at home and work this, obviously, day job thing, permit style. Yeah. All right. Oh, I forgot to turn the hazards off. Damn it. Definitely want to do that so we don't kill his battery. He's got enough problems. He said he thinks it's just a sensor, but it gave an oil pressure warning and he pulled off, he says, immediately. But who knows? Engine sounds kaput to me, but I'm just the tow guy. Who knows? Not me. I know nothing about the Audis. Let's go turn the hazards off real quick while I can still jump on the bed. Shut the hell up, Audi. Ugh, how Arizona of you. The seat thing. Love it. We love it, we love it. Alright. Let's get this last one on because we got 20 something miles to go. And these are kind of heavy. And he's missing like center caps on some wheels, and then he's missing the little like beauty thing on some of them. Discount Tire, or whoever did his tires, did them dirty. Wonder if they know that he sent me here to tow this and that I'm not just towing it because they're little signs. I hope not. I don't want to give them the satisfaction of them thinking that even. But whatever, not my business. And what is that? This thing is... I'm not gonna fuck with it, but there's rocks inside of that little thing. Scooped them up. Marked there, there, there. This thing is cooked. All right. Pick up at the drop-off. I think we're going to Protec in Scottsdale. I think that's what that shop is called. Been there a couple times, but we'll see. Alright, it's starting the clip just a touch early because we got to pull in and then immediately back up because of the way this driveway is. Here at Tech Plus Automotive in Scottsdale on Buthras. I think they just do like general repairs on most anything, as far as I know. So if you need some, give them a call. Wonder if we should go see where they want it or if we should just drop it. I think we're just gonna drop it, to be honest. All right. We'll just start dropping it and see if anybody comes out. Okay. Bow, 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 bow. Get this thing out of here, or off of here. Servicing all imports. Don't know if they work on American stuff. Give them a call. They'll let you know. I think they would probably work on American stuff. They just have that sign because that's what the area mostly is. Because we're in Scottsdale. Something smells good. It's got to be from the mall behind me, I would guess. Or maybe whatever that place is, but I think that's a music venue. I don't think they're going right now. I don't know. Don't really pay attention. Kind of just stay in the automotive space, like I was saying at the beginning. DoorDash. And a Tesla is crazy. All right. All right. Let's get it down, get it out. Down and out. Make sure we tether that before we leave. Oh my gosh. He must be a very tall dude because this seat is super far back. Going down. And that mirror on the right side is closed. Ah, damn it, I forgot we needed to go back kind of far. Pushing uphill, this ain't working. And stupid Audi has to have the foot on the brake to push it. Whatever. Not my problem. Ow, I scratched my back. Let's see. I think we'll just throw that up there. I think there's a little bit of an uphill there because that thing did not want to move. Alright. Let's turn the PTO off. Walk the keys in. Get our drop-off picture. Let's see. Good to go. Ooh. Hello, hello.
How you doing?
Dropping off an Audi with the oil pressure light on. That's what I was told. I don't know.
Okay. And this was coming. You have a customer name?
I do. His name is Roy.
So all I got is Roy.
I got a last name, Tracy.
Yeah, of course, it was an easy one, but I said.
Roy Tracy.
Yeah, 16 Audi. A4.
Oil pressure light on?
Yeah, that's what he said. I didn't start it because I wasn't sure if it was just a sensor or if it was actually low oil pressure or what, but...
What was his name again? Roy?
Roy Tracy. Yeah.
Alright. Any phone number or anything?
I do, yeah. 602-820-2877.
Alright. Need me to sign anything or?
No, you're good. I just want to make sure you had all his info.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
At 200. That is them, isn't it? 733. Yeah. Okay. Just wanted to make sure. All right. Picking up a Silverado with a suspected bad transmission. Let's see what we can see. All right. What's going on, man? So, do you think it'll make it behind the truck? Like, you think it'll pull up?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, if you want to pull it up.
But the transmission is not running. They blow up.
No, I'm saying it doesn't work at all?
No.
Okay.
Push it.
Yeah, let's say let's try to push it. Go ahead and jump in and throw it in neutral. Ay, ay, ay. Ready? All right, you're good right there. Let me just move my truck over. Sounds healthy, at least. Minus the transmission. Pushed easy enough. He's got the bed all cut out and C-notched and shit. Hell yeah. If I was gonna have a truck, that's probably what I would do. I wouldn't do that with the gas tank, but I get it for sure. It's a good way to go about it, using the stock tank. Are you worried about it scraping at all?
Huh?
Are you worried about it scraping on the bed at all?
Where?
Like on the bed when I pull it up?
Oh, huh?
No? Okay. We'll just make sure it's not too crazy.
Okay.
But yeah, I can fix it if we need to. We have ramps and stuff, but I just don't want to have to charge you for them. The front looks like it'll be okay. It's the rear I'm worried about.
The rear? Oh.
Yeah. We'll just make sure it doesn't drag too crazy. We can see not much, I'm guessing. This thing's pretty dunked. Not gonna be able to reach that. Okay. Let's see. Okay. This thing's low. All right. You got it in neutral?
No.
Okay. Pictures before we get too crazy. Oh man. Yeah, the rear might not drag. Guess we'll see. All right. Let's see. It's gonna pull up on the center a little bit. Is that okay? Okay. Just want to make sure. It's getting kind of low. Yeah, we'll put the ramps down. We'll help them out. Ooh. Luckily there's no hitch because that shit would be dragging. Yo, I won't charge you for the ramps this time, but next time.
Huh?
I won't charge you for the ramps this time, but next time.
Okay.
Okay, just so you know. It's only 20 bucks extra for something like this, but yeah, I'm not worried about it right now.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Hey, hang on to the key for me. I don't want it to lock itself.
Okay.
You going with me?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't know it was lowered. He didn't think to ask, I'm hoping. It's all good. Not worried about it. Now that I think about it, I think I saw this thing on Marketplace. Not the Bondo. Yeah. Do what we can to help people. Save them 20 bucks. Not worried about it. I remember being young and stranded on the side of the road too. Just trying to have fun with a modified vehicle. I get it. Get it out of here. Let's get it home. Alright, good to go. Up back at the drop-off. The drop-off? Alright. Dropping off the truck, waiting for him to move another truck so we can put this in there. Let's go see. Ooh. Oh. You want it all the way back, right? Okay. All right. I don't know what this guy's doing. He like saw us on the freeway and then followed us here, and the owner of this truck said he was one of his friends, but it's kind of creeping. He's like in the way. Now he's in my way. Ooh, first try. More back?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we got to put the ramps down too. It's gonna make it longer. Yeah, we can always push it back as close as you need to. Yeah. Okay. Shit. Sorry, I'm not saying anything. I'm just kind of observing. They were looking at me crazy when I brought the ramps out. Like, it's a truck. What are you doing? You'll see. So we don't drag the booty. And it won't pull up as much on the front lip or bumper too. So that's good. All right. You got the key? Thank you, sir. Let me not touch his stuff with my gloves. I should have done that. That's my bad. Neutral. Good to go. All right. Good to go. You want to go back more?
No, it's good.
Okay. Yes, sir. Oop. Let's see. Hate the soft dust. All right. Let me look real quick. I'll get you an exact amount. Let me just put this away. Who the hell is calling me at a time like this?